Triton brand for my cartridges. I'm doing this cute little tattoo today. It's gonna be mostly glitter. I set up 2 different mags for my shading. I always pull out like a 7 round shader or a 9, anywhere from between 5 to 9 round shaders, so I can really like get in on those corners and like shade right against the lines. Today I'm gonna use a 9 mag and a 13 mag, just depending on the space I'm shading in. I'm gonna be using a 8 gauge 1 round liner, so single needle. It's not that scary, I promise. And I'm gonna be using a bug pin tight 3. Those are the 2 like main things I use for the glitter. We'll get a little bit into this as we're doing the tattoo as to what I'm using each thing for. This is my first time using the Peak Tritons. I'm pretty pleased with them. They're doing a good job. Everything seems stable. If you look at like all of the line work and the shading that I've done, everything looks really packed in, really smooth. The lines are sharp. Nothing looks over irritated or dug too deep. I think they're great. Specifically with like glitter, I use bug pins and really small gauges. With these, they have those options, which makes it really easy to get that really fine texture that I look for. For the lighter shades, the last light color and the white dots that I'm gonna do for the glitter, I always use a fresh, either a tight 3 or I use that smaller gauge single needle. Just depends where I'm at. For this one, I'm gonna start with that tight 3. I use a fresh cartridge just because I feel like it's perfectly sharp and it doesn't have any ink residing in there. It just gives me that nice, pretty flow and those perfect little specks. To me, that's just the best choice. I don't like mind spending the extra money pulling another one out. I'm always about the result rather than what it costs to get there. With the mags, I do see a little bit of a difference in the stabilization of them. I think it was a tight 5 I used. I did see a nice difference in like the stabilization and how smooth like the ink flowed out. I do a lot of like solid color, and even with like color blending and regular shading, I like to have a long taper just to make sure that it's really pushing that ink in the first pass through. These have done an excellent job of doing that. The options that they have are perfect for what I do. Overall, I would absolutely recommend